Do you need one?
No, I just had it. Like, I just seen it too. I had it over here, and I moved it.
Let's play shop. Let me see. He'll get mic'd up here in a second. Oh, I don't feel like doing anything, guys. How has y'all's week been? Oh, look. I don't know. This is just gonna be a fun little video. See how everybody's doing. Sorry if there's wind. Hopefully my beard is muffling out the sound, but let's look at somebody struggle. All right, you doing all right there, bud? I see you took off your shit, your sweater. What are you looking for?
The stupid fucking O-ring.
To what?
The oil pan pump, or not the oil pan, the oil pump.
Just put toothpaste on it and put it in.
I thought some sawdust. Oh, I can use RTV.
Hey, there you go. Hell yeah.
I just had it too.
Do you need one?
No, I just had it. Like, I just seen it too. I had it over here, and I moved it.
Oh.
What happens when you work too hard?
That is really the mechanic struggle in our field. When we had,
Warranty is in trouble.
well, yeah, he's been working like an animal lately, today, yesterday, since Monday. That's why I helped him take that transmission apart. Ooh. So yeah, comment down below. Is y'all's shop starting to pick up? I know ours is. The weather is influencing stuff a lot lately. So the past 2 days it's been a little cooler, and workflow hasn't been as good. It's not in that bag.
I might have dropped it, honestly.
Oh, if it got dropped, it's gone.
Eyes like a hawk, baby.
Wow, it was right there. Dang. Maybe if you were a little more organized. Look, I'm just gonna troll him in the comments since y'all ain't commenting right now. I'm surprised that lined up. I always line that thing up when I put the oil pump in.
You know why it lined up?
Das cabrón?
It knew better.
It knew better. Guys, he had to take the whole valve body back off.
Why?
Oh, he had to take it off because he messed up. He left the transmission cord out, man.
The valve body harness.
The valve body harness. What do they call it? The transmission cord? Oh, no, 15% on the... Dang. Yeah, guys, I'm thinking about doing this just shop talk. Oh, you heard the torque clicks?
Calibrated.
Calibrated? Oh, calibrated elbow click. Maybe you shouldn't have. I'll edit that out. Your elbow torque clicks. When your elbow pops, you know it's tight. Man, guys, I need to do the radio on that car over there. The one with the seat. And I really don't feel like doing it. That seat just kicked my butt. It cut me, man. I got a cut right there. Don't know how. When you work on seat frames, it's inevitable to not get cut. Like, you're gonna get cut. Now let's just kick back. Oh Lord. It's in there. It should bottom out.
Oh, it should.
I mean, are we building a deck or are we working on cars?
It's not a flaming hammer. It ain't a claw, baby.
I know some of y'all using them wood hammers also.
Claw hammer.
And claw hammer. Ooh. Ooh.
Is this the right one?
It's in.
Is this supposed to be the red one?
The red one. There's no red one? No, that's a torque converter.
Oh, that's a torque converter.
No, that's a torque converter to a different one. All the red ones are torque converters. Guy, come on now.
I feel like that's not right.
No. Is it sitting flush?
It's sitting on it.
That's the one that's bent a little bit, right?
Yeah. Is it? Is this a bent one?
I don't know, is it? Yeah, that's the right one.
Huh.
Ask me how I know.
How?
I told you, I've done so many of these.
I thought you wanted to.
No, I didn't smash it. I don't know how that happened. Told you these tools go. These tools travel. They like to grow feet and legs and get used for other stuff.
You're good to go.
Are you? You haven't put the torque converter on? Where'd you put the torque converter now?
We left it in the oil bucket.
Yeah, it's in the old bucket. Draining.
It's easier to pick up and put on the tranny jack.
What? Bro, you have a lift right above you. Put two 12s on the top. Actually, you know, there should be this tool in the box. No, this guy's over here showing off. Look at him. Strongman competition.
Heavy.
Did you put the O-ring in there?
Where?
Right there. Is it?
This one?
Yep, that one right there. That one right there. Oh, we can only zoom in 20 times? Yeah. Guys, I might have to cut this video off already. I am sitting low on batteries. No, not that one. It looks like that one, but it's yeah, that one right there. But I never use that. I just use two 12 millimeters. You know what you could use? To the old sub-assembly. That the bolt should be in there. I use those ones and then the chain. Is that my chain?
No.
Where's my chain?
On that thing.
Oh. Yeah. They looked at me like I'm crazy. It was just a question.
No, you were insinuating.
No, I just asked, is that my chain? Oh, watch the mic.
You know, that's what happens when you misplace things.
I didn't misplace it.
It's not going anywhere.
Let's see, can he do it the fluff way? What the hell is this? Is this even the right thread pitch?
Hey, cut it out. Yes, it is. This is what I used to stab it in the side.
Why you out here stabbing people? Wait, stabbing in the side? What side?
Oh, in the hole for the ground.
Oh, dude. Uh-oh, hold on.
The power string hoses were leaking fluid and all that, the suction hose, I think. So she wants to do that too, but down the road. But yeah, she said she's like, I want to do that. I was like, oh, that's sick, but this was my main concern right now, the alternator taking a shit.
Yeah, that and there's a lot of other stuff that was messed up on it.
Yeah, but the next thing was like be like a power string hose and all that because it was leaking power string fluid.
Oh yeah, that's safety right there.
Okay?
Yeah.
Got it? Hurry up.
Hey,
I can cut this out. Ow.
my car. Have you done the radio? No, you've been putting arts and crafts in my seat. It's already 4:30.
Arts and crafts. Hot glued them.
Dude, the last thing I need is for me to get in my car and I sit down and boom, fly back.
The whole thing just falls
Or
off.
the side is gonna pop off.
Oh.
Or the airbag.
Hey, it's alright.
Or it's not gonna heat my culo.
Oh, that's something I didn't test though.
Wow.
I didn't check that.
Master Tech.
Oh. Alright guys.
Damn.
I'm already bored and this guy is irritating me.
How dare you?
Alright, we'll catch y'all on the next one. Let me know if y'all like these little shop talks. Alright, I'll try something new. 'Cause, you know, I don't. Deuce.
Me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful.